Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Before I go ahead with my food, I just want to say a big thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. I've reached just a little bit over 430 and yeah, I mean, what can I say? Thank you very much. If it does go up to 500, okay, I will try. It's not a promise. I will try and do a Chinese takeaway mukbang as a thank you. Chinese or probably Caribbean food, or I don't know. I will surprise you, or I will see anyway. Whatever I could find at my local, I'll just get it anyway. So it could be Chinese, it could be Caribbean, it could be no, not Indian. It could be a kebab. I don't know, but I just want to do something on my 500 subscribers. So I thought, why not do a small celebration, to say thank you. So guys, you lot have been perfect. You've been great. You've been, awesome, and yeah, thank you very much, guys. Yeah. Anyway, today it's very warm. It's blue skies everywhere. It's becoming summer now, and yeah, it's becoming so warm. So for me, it's going to be a sleepless night because my home gets very filled with warm, and we don't have any air conditioning in the UK because it's not hot enough. So yeah, I will have to buy a system. So anyway, yeah. Anyway, guys, today I am having a chicken dinner. I bought this from my local. What I forgot here is a tower. My first time trying a chicken tower burger. It has a fillet of chicken pate with hash brown, cheese, lettuce and mayo. So I've never had that before, and I thought, yeah, let me just get it. So this is it. I've got chicken popcorn or chicken poppers, small fries. I've got some chicken wings and one piece of chicken. There you can see. The bread coating on that is very thick. And there's a chicken piece. Let me just show you the chicken wings. See, I'm not really a big fan of breaded chicken, because it's too thick, too crunchy. Some of those bits are like really rock hard, and they can like break your teeth, so I have to be really aware. But anyway, they look good. I went out and bought these myself. I'm not going to pay any extras for delivery. This piece alone is like £1.20. So guys, I have bought myself a tower burger. The cheese is already melted. But if you want to see it, there you go. This is the hash brown. You can see. Right, let's give these a go. The chicken poppers. I've got mayo and ketchup dip. Sorry about the camera angle, because it's such a headache for me to set things up. And as long as you can see my face, I'm talking, that's fine, but you won't see my bald head. So there you go, guys. So guys, what have you lot been up to? For me, I'm sweating away, you know, it's just warm. Oh, okay. The fries they gave me, they put seasoning. I'm going to put some black pepper. I love a lot of black pepper. Put some salt on my fries or chips, wherever you are. Nice. Yeah, so this summer, what's going to happen is that I'm going to do, is the time running? Yeah. Yeah, this summer, I'm going to do reviews on ice creams. I love ice creams. They now do Ferrero Rocher ice creams, and I thought, wow, they look so good, you know. To be honest with you, my first time when I had a Ferrero Rocher back in early 90s, it's got to be early 90s. I tried it from somewhere. It had like a liquid inside. What is that? I never actually looked it up or even thought of asking someone that Ferrero Rocher had like a liquid type inside. What is it? It tastes horrible. Normally Ferrero Rocher is like chocolate hazelnut filling inside, but the one that I had a liquid inside. Was it alcohol? Was it some kind of, I don't know. These are nice. Yeah, I will be doing Magnum ice cream, like different kinds of ice creams I will be doing this summer. So in America, you guys call these French fries or fries. Me personally, I respect that. Yeah, they look 100% like fries, French fries, like McDonald's kind of fries. They don't taste like McDonald's, but they look like McDonald's fries. But they are French fries. But in the UK, we call them chips. So there you go. I call them both ways, chips or fries. This is so nice. What else? The one thing I want to talk about is that I got this one serious troll person. That person used to be alright at first. His name is, I wouldn't say it's he or she, I don't know. But his thing's called, the avatar's called Grubby Ferret. That person's been a nuisance to me, you know. I've done nothing wrong here, but it comes along and start, I don't know, saying something. I don't like it, so I blocked him or her. Silly boys doing these things, you know. I get vexed so quickly. No, I didn't do anything to you, you didn't do anything to me. But, just boys. So if I see anyone saying something nasty or being rude, I won't even say anything, I'll just like block you off. So guys, you know, just don't do these things, man. I wouldn't do things like that to you. That Grubby Ferret, we started off okay, you know. It was well alright, but then it just went downhill for him, with him. And let's try this. Is my time ticking? Yeah. It's moist. It's thick. Wow. A fish curry, it's still in the works. Man, this is so nice. It's not bad. I like it, it's nice. It's more meatier, more lighter colour than the KFC. I don't know why KFC is really dark. Yeah, the homemade proper traditional fish curry with potatoes is still in the works. I won't be cooking it myself. It will be done by my mum. She will be cooking it. So yeah. The only issue was delaying is because number one, I don't have time. I was working, and for me to get the fish, I have to go to a specialised Bangladeshi shop to get it. Things like that. So don't worry, I'll keep you posted anyway. I'll let you guys know. Look at that. That's how wet it should be. Next week, next week Friday or Saturday by evening, or could be night time or afternoon, but when I do upload mukbang videos, it's always like late afternoon or evening. But next weekend, put it this way, next weekend I will be uploading a Pizza Hut mukbang. Yep. It is a subscriber request, and that's a big one. A Pizza Hut request. by Hanifa Bibi and Rahanara Bibi. So guys, be warned that a Pizza Hut will be on its way to you on my channel for you guys to see by next weekend. It's not 100%, but my next mukbang for next week, it will be a Pizza Hut. So yeah, 50-50. If not, I will put something else. Why? Because of delivery issues, the cost. These Pizza Hut are very, very expensive, you know, and you know, for me to do that, it's going to be like costly. So we'll have to look it up. I've not had Pizza Hut like when? Last time I had Pizza Hut, you're talking about like early 2000. Yeah, I've not had Pizza Hut for like, I'll say beyond 2010. 2010 was my like cut-off year, my cut-off point where I didn't have anything after that, no Pizza Hut. Why? Because it just changed, you know, it just went downhill for me. I used to like the seafood, the tuna and anchovies. That was really nice, but now they don't do that anymore. Yeah, it's just changed it. They've changed the recipe, they've changed everything. But anyway, yeah, it'll be my first Pizza Hut for my local. Since 2010, should be. I'm going to do a fisherman's pie, or fish bake, or fish pie with salad mukbang. That's going to be done this week. Probably tomorrow. Today's what, Monday, bank holiday. Tomorrow's going to be Tuesday. Yeah, I'll do it tomorrow, Tuesday. So it should be up on YouTube by tomorrow afternoon. Anyway guys, let's have this before it gets really cold. This is the Tower Burger. I've never had this before in my whole entire life, and this is the first. Right. Mmm. Wow. First, the chicken pate is really moist. It's soft. I seriously love that. But I could taste the hash brown. Hash brown is really nice. It's soft. Wow. I like it, man. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. Man, where was that all those time, eh? Tower Burger. I suppose you can have hash brown on anything nowadays. But on a burger, I've never actually knew that it ever existed. Oh man, getting full up. Yeah, guys, this is really nice. Someone didn't mention about it. I forgot. um. Wow. I could taste the cheese as well. Wow. Woo. Ah. I wonder if Dixie is better than this. So I got this from my local chicken shop. Wow. Yeah, definitely 10 out of 10. This is seriously nice. So Dixie Chicken is like another chicken shop that do really good stuff. I got yet to try that, but I don't have one near me. It's too far out. But this is impressive. Mmm. 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 Gosh, I can't eat anymore now. I'm stuffed. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. You could actually taste everything in that burger. The lettuce, the hash brown, the cheese, the chicken. It's amazing. If you love apples, if you love your apple drinks, go for this, man. This is a sparkling, fizzy tango apple. This will be my first choice. I don't care about anything else. But apple, delicious, man. So yeah, guys, Pizza Hut will be on its way, hopefully by next weekend. That's my next show for you good people. And the fish curry is still in the works. Yeah. Guys, this Christmas is going to be banging. I can't wait. I'm going to do roast potatoes, roast vegetables, roast parsnips. I love parsnips. Gravy, Brussels sprouts. Dessert will be a cake. But the main thing will be the roasts and tandoori chicken. Not roast chicken or roast turkey, it will be tandoori chicken. So I hope you guys don't mind. Oh man, I can't wait for Christmas. Guys, if you want to see my other channel, it's called Entertainment and Food. I've got a couple of mukbangs there and a Christmas dinner that I did. Have a look. I've got 2 channels. This one's my second one. My first one is called Entertainment and Food. I had that for like 3 years now or something. Yeah. My first channel is just like, I just put random stuffs on there. Mostly short stuff. Nothing important. Nothing important. But this second channel here, that's an important one. Yeah guys, so jump over and have a look and comment as well please, and subscribe. Yeah guys, thank you very much for joining with me. Thank you very much for being patient with me, and thank you ever so much for subscribing to me, and I promise to do more excellent shows and stuffs, and I will be doing reviews outdoors, so yes, that is also in the works. But guys, cheers, I will see you soon. Bye.